Hello, it's the first time I'm doing not exactly botanical video. I saw that stuff several weeks ago here in Japan, and it was a bit of miracle to me. At first, my idea was it's kind of plant disease, because it looks like it's a slimy, fungal-like stuff. But then I spotted that's almost always associated with water underneath. Well, this is not exactly what I think about fungal diseases. Something else is going on. Then I have a slight piece of memory that some animals might do this stuff. I know that insects are doing some, but they are much smaller in size. So kind of bigger animal. What was it? The answer is the frog. So Rhacophorus frog. So-called flying frog, because sometimes, at least some species of Rhacophorus, they between fingers have additional membranes which allow them to fly, to jump a bit longer. Rhacophorus, flying frogs, have nests on trees. Amazing. In Japan, we have that tropical, very tropical, like crazy animal adaptation, which looks like a plant. Why is so? Of course, because the spawn of frogs and young tadpoles are exceedingly vulnerable, so everybody will eat them. So then, the safest measure is to place them somewhere where they can develop to some extent, and they will be more defensible. So they will start to be bigger at first, so less accessible to smaller carnivores at least, and then can hide and do something for their own defense. So idea that first stages of development of young frogs from spawn to tadpoles will happen inside this nest. And of course, understandable why this is hanging exactly above the water. Because frogs at some point will need to go down to the water. So the whole nest sometimes goes down because it's heavy, or probably individual like half frogs will come down by themselves one by one, but they will always end up in the water and start to live freely like a normal frog inside the water. So that's an idea. And of course, this type of adaptation would work only in conditions where humidity is large. So now, like, I feel humidity is almost 100%. It was a rain season, and rains are constantly going on. So of course, humidity allows this nest not to dry out so soon. This is an idea. So this is how frogs' nests are working. So young frog develop inside this nest. Let them develop in peace. Thank you.